Hi family and friends. I'm glad you're joining me today. I am going to make a traditional Irish soda bread. It's very simple, very basic, but then next week I'm going to make modified soda bread, and I want to see what the difference is between the flavors. So let's start with the traditional. It's 4 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm just going to turn it on to kind of blend those ingredients in. With the dough hook, you pretty much just keep it on a 2. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk, and I'll incorporate more if needed. I'm going to add a little bit of buttermilk as I go. I don't know, I guess about maybe a tablespoon at a time. Almost, you want it to come together into a ball and not be dry. Okay, so I've used 1.5 cups so far. I've got another 1/4 cup here. I'm just going to, again, do a little bit at a time. Okay, I think that's looking great. How it just holds together. You can see that. So here's my springform pan. I want to get a nice ball going here. Flatten it a little bit. Okay. And then cut an X across the top. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 425 degrees. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, this is the traditional Irish soda bread. I'm going to cut it open so we can see what the inside looks like. And it is dense, very dense. I can feel it cutting it. So, oh. Probably, look, it could have cooked a little bit longer. Well, I'm just going to take a piece off the side where it is cooked and give it a try. It's a heavy bread. I guess with a soup or a stew, I think it would be really good for like a winter soup or a winter stew to have with it. So that is the traditional Irish soda bread.